You know how to cook, you know how to play games, you are into tech, you know how to install Wix, you know how to edit videos, and you're still telling me that you do not have a skill. In 2024, what you can do is to create a YouTube channel and then educate people on what you can do best. And that is why in this video, we're going to look at 12 steps on how to create a YouTube channel and how to make good use of your YouTube channel. A lot of people are going to tell you need a fancy camera, you need an expensive laptop, your tripod stand before you can create quality content out there. But then all you need is a mobile phone and a good lighting. And so in this video, before we start, shall we have a look at this particular content that was created 7 years ago?
Why I started a YouTube channel? Are you kidding me right now? I'm the dopest, I'm the coolest, I'm the smartest, I'm the hottest chick in the planet.
And that was Miss Judy. For those of you who do not know Miss Judy is a travel content creator, and this video was shot 7 years ago. Who would have thought that today, when you're talking about the top YouTubers in Africa, Miss Judy is going to be one of the top YouTubers in Africa? And so what is your excuse? What are you still waiting for? Without wasting more time, let's get right into today's episode. Stay tuned. So step number 1 is to find your niche. Find your niche. Finding a niche simply means looking out for a particular topic that you are an expertise in. When it comes to cooking, you are an expertise. When it comes to playing games, you are an expertise. When it comes to educating the public, you can do so without a twinkle of an eye. And so before you start your YouTube channel, you should find your niche. What can you do best? What can you produce? What can you do without someone guiding you to do? And so this is what we call finding your niche. Can you travel? Can you give us amazing places? Can you give us affordable places? Can you install Wix? A whole lot. And so there are a whole lot of niches out there in the media space, but it is up to you to identify your niche. So step number 1 is to find your niche. Step number 2 is to research and plan your content. Researching is key. Why do I say this? For example, if you are a travel content creator, and let's say you love to travel to Accra, and you want to explore this amazing hotel that you've heard of, but then you need to, before you even make a bold step to go board a vehicle or a bus or whatever it is, you need to research and then know the prices, how much it costs to stay there per night, their food and everything. You need to stay within your budget. Creating content doesn't mean you need to always be in debt. Just have to spend within your means. And so before you take any bold step, you have to research and also plan your content, how you're going to shoot your content out there for your viewers or your subscribers. And so please do not always forget to research and plan ahead. If it is beauty, if it is fashion, if it is cooking, always make sure that you're going to plan your content before you even set out your camera to shoot your content. Step number 3 is to create a Google account. A successful YouTube channel needs a Google account. So apparently you have a Google account which is running already, but then you might not want to mix your personal emails with something you're doing or something you love to do. And so it is just prudent to create a new Google account and then link it to your YouTube channel. So if a beginner, you do not know how to create a Google account, you simply log on to any web browser on your mobile phone or your smart device and then type in create or sign up a Google account, and then it gives you the prompts to follow to creating a Google account. And so let's say you are into fashion, or you are into beauty, you are into wig installation. Most often people tend to generate names that are attached to what they do. And so if it is beauty, it could be beauty, beauty with Lorty, or if it's fashion, style with Lorty, or a whole lot of names. And so to you, what you think you're going to do determines the name you'd love to give to your channel. So you have to create a Google account and always make sure that you always remember the password to your Google account, because in future you're going to use this Google account to generate income. You're going to use it to do a whole lot of things, collaborations, and you still need your password at a point in time. So if you think you might forget, it's always wise to jot it down in your notebook somewhere, or leave it to a trusted brother or sister or sibling that in case of anything you can fall back on them to regain access into your channel. Most often we have a lot of hackers. People tend to hack your YouTube channel, and so it is always wise to create a strong password to keep your YouTube channel safe. Number 4 is to create your YouTube channel. So once you open or you launch the YouTube app on your mobile phone device, you realize there's an icon that looks like a profile picture on the top right hand corner of your mobile phone. You click on that and then it will ask you to add account. So at this point in time, you're going to add the Google account you created, that is the account you'd love to connect to the YouTube channel. So you click on that and then follow the procedure, follow the step-by-step guide. You enter your name. So if it's Travel with Lorty, you enter the name that is going to be publicly shown to everyone that this is Travel with Lorty and she's here to give us amazing content, basically on travel content. Yes. And so after creating your channel, you're not yet done. It's a step-by-step process, and this is step 4. So the next step 5 is to customize your channel. Now you've logged in with your Google account, and so you have to give us a profile picture, you have to give us a description, you have to give us a YouTube banner, and also you have to make some little input on your profile. So the first step is to change your profile picture. Your profile picture could be, if it's beauty, you can just put a makeup equipment there. If it's travel, you can just put a travel image there. And the YouTube banner always should be outstanding. Why do I say it should be outstanding? It should be outstanding because once I log in into your page and I click on your YouTube banner should tell me what you do exactly. For example, if you travel, your YouTube banner should tell me you travel. Your YouTube banner should also tell me the times in which you post content, because there are a lot of people who watch a lot of content on YouTube, and so most often people tend to make their schedule. So I know Lorty posts, or she normally posts her videos on Mondays and Wednesdays at exactly 7:00 p.m. And so the YouTube banner enables your subscribers to know the exact time that you post your videos or the exact content you're creating out there for them. Now the description is simply to tell us what you're doing, and also don't forget to use hashtags in your videos. Hashtags always makes it easy for people to reach out to your content, and so please also don't forget to include hashtags in your videos. Step number 6 is to plan your video production. Like I said earlier on in the early minutes of this video, that most creators think that you need a fancy or expensive gadget before you can produce a video. However, kindly take note that all you need is a mobile phone and a good lighting. When I talk of good lighting, if you don't have the money to afford a ring light, these days ring lights are expensive, ranging from 300, 400 Ghana cedis, of which probably as a beginner that is your monthly income, so, or your monthly salary, and so you do not want to just spend your whole monthly salary on just a tripod stand. So all you need is a good lighting from the room. It could be your room, or you could just adjust your mobile phone on a steady table and make sure that it has enough light. And what matters is the information you're giving out there to your audience. Before you even produce your video, make sure you're giving us a good lighting and make sure that your voice is audible or is clear enough that your audience can hear whatever information you're trying to pass on to them. Number 7 is to film and edit your videos. So before you even tap on start recording, make sure you have your content planned out and know exactly what you're going to talk about. Remember, during your filming process, you might goof, you might make mistakes, and that is why it is very important to edit your videos. Unless maybe your audience are so much interested in what goes on behind the scenes and they would love to watch it. And for that matter, you'd love to go raw or unfiltered. Apart from that, to make your video so natural and to make your audience enjoy whatever information you're putting out there for them, it is always good that you edit your videos and cut out the unnecessary parts of the video. Now, after recording, like I said, you need to edit. Now, what do you need to edit your videos? Just on the mobile phone, you can edit your videos, and there are numerous editing apps on Play Store. But the one I can highly recommend to you is CapCut. CapCut is simple to every beginner. So using CapCut is very, very simple. All you need is to put in a few videos and do some test trials. In my next video, I'll try to show you a tutorial on how to edit videos using CapCut. And so please also do not forget that after editing your videos, you could add a text, you could add a music just to enhance your video to make it more lovable and enjoyable for your audience. And so please do not forget that. Number 8 is to optimize your video for SEO. What is an SEO? SEO is simply a search engine optimization. And what does a search engine optimization do? It helps brings out your video as one of the top videos relating to the particular content you've created out there. Most often you go to Google and then you try searching for a content, you realize you have about 5 or 6 content giving you similar answers to whatever you're searching for. And the same thing applies on YouTube. You try searching for a particular content on YouTube and then you realize you've been given about 6 or 5. These people or these content creators are making good use of a search engine optimization, and that is why it is very good and crucial that you always put in hashtags in the description of your video, in the title of your video. Always make sure you have hashtags. It makes it very easier for the algorithm to pick out your content and show it to interested viewers out there who would love to watch your content. So please do not forget to optimize your SEO anytime you are producing a video. At this point, you are to upload your videos. Now, when it comes to uploading videos, you have to be very consistent. Consistent doesn't mean you have to upload videos each and every day, because it takes a lot of time and energy to even edit a particular video. So you can schedule your videos for, let's say, once in a week or twice in a week, but then you are to come out with a consistent plan as to whether you're going to post on every Sunday or twice in a week. And so when uploading your videos, just like the internet disruption, just like we experienced some few days or weeks ago, you know, because of this, most people love to upload ahead. The YouTube algorithm gives you the opportunity to upload a video today and let it premiere, let's say, a week ahead. You get it? And so you can always upload your videos ahead and make sure that it premieres on the day that your viewers are expecting that to produce or you bring out a new video. And so please, that is the uploading stage. Most often you might encounter some difficulties, such as the video uploading and then you realize that there was no sound or you left something out. You have to delete and restart again. Please do not give up. It's just part of the process as a content creator, and so kindly take note of that. After uploading your video, the next thing is for you to promote your channel. A lot of people, a lot of content creators as beginners tend to purchase fake views, fake subscribers, thinking that at the end of the day, at the end of the month, they're going to earn some income, and so they just want to purchase the fake views and fake subscribers to reach the peak. And it will interest you to know that the YouTube algorithm does not work that way. And so as a beginner, if you want to move on a higher level, on a higher pace, all you have to do is to just keep uploading your videos and make sure that the information you're putting out there is logic and let me say it's useful to your audience. That's it. If you want to promote your channel, share the link to your friends on your WhatsApp status instead of posting videos and contents of other creators. Why don't you take the opportunity? If let's say 500 people are watching your status in a day, I'm tempted to believe that at least out of the 500 people, 10 might click on your link to at least watch, even if it is 1 minute, 60 seconds of the video. That alone is enough to give you a promotion to your channel. And so please avoid buying fake subscribers. After promoting your channel, what do you need? You have to monitor your analytics. Most often you create a whole lot of videos. You get it? Let's say you have about 20 videos running on your channel. And to monitor your analytics, you realize that some videos are performing very, very well than other videos. So what is the cause? We have something we call the retention. Retention is like a graph. So people will start watching in the higher space, and then at some point, let's say at the second minute of your video, it drops like this. That means at that point, there is something that you're saying that people are not so much interested in. Maybe you were talking too much, you were doing a whole lot of things that were not important, and so the retention goes down. So most often, it is very, very important to always monitor your analytics and know what your audience wants instead of just creating the content out there. At the end of the day, you feel like you're not giving or you're not producing quality content, but then you realize that maybe, just maybe, your audience do not love certain things you bring out there. So always monitor your analytics. Now the last step, that is the final step in creating a YouTube channel, is to be consistent and be patient. There are a whole lot of billions of content creators out there on YouTube, and so you starting as a beginner, all you need is patience and be consistent. When I say consistent, I'm not asking you to produce videos every day. Even when you try doing that, you're going to give us a content that maybe your audience might not be interested in. But what I'm saying is, when it comes to consistency, it's going to help build your YouTube presence. You get it? Because the audience are going to know that, oh, I have this favorite YouTuber I watch, and I know that today being Monday, she's going to bring out a new content. That is being consistent. They are not expecting that every day you create out a new content, but then they are expecting that at least within the week they should expect something from you. So having given you all these 12 steps, I know you're going to put them into practice and into consideration in creating a YouTube channel. Please do not relax. And don't forget, starting a YouTube channel does not come as easy as you think. You need to be consistent, you need to plan, you need to research, you need to film, you need to edit, and don't forget that there are billions of content creators on YouTube, and all you need is to be patient. If this video is useful, consider hitting the like button, subscribe, and of course turn the notification bell so that you don't miss important notifications from us. Don't forget, you can log on to my website at www.lortywashere.com for more details when it comes to content creation. If you want to start a travel blog, I have a travel blog out there. Feel free to log on and then scroll through for a per user. My name has always been Lorty, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next episode. Until then, stay tuned and stay blessed.